Hello there, Charlotte Tilbury is one of my favourite brands for luxurious lipsticks and she brought out a new collection earlier this year. Hot Lips 2 landed in June, following on from her first Hot Lips line that launched in 2016. There are 11 shades in the collection inspired by different public figures, rule breakers, record makers and history shakers. I'll be swatching 7 shades here. Left them in perfect condition to film with, but I've been loving them ever since. Now you know it's a Hot Lips shade because of this little kiss imprint on the bullet. I originally thought Hot Lips was its own formula, but each shade just takes on one of her 2 original formulas. So they're either Kissing, her moisturising satin finish, or Matte Revolution, her creamy, comfortable matte. No easy way of telling the difference. The bullets are usually different shapes, but not for Hot Lips, so the formulas are listed on her website and you'll see the different finishes when I swatch them. The biggest change with Hot Lips 2 is the packaging. Charlotte's done away with her regular rose gold component and brought in these elaborate, patterned, collectible cases with the option of refills for the first time. There are 5 different patterns, I have 4 of them here, but you can't actually choose which case you'd like, the shades automatically come in one type. Refills are such a great idea, but it is slightly strange then that the shade names are on the bottom of the component, so if you swap shades later on, you'll still have the old name there. Maybe you can peel it off and stick it over? Let me know if you'd be interested in a comparison video with her other lipsticks to identify some similar tones. Definitely still planning to do a big Charlotte Tilbury lipstick collection video at some stage, just gonna be such a monster to film, but it's still on my list. Let's get started with Enigmatic Edward, Charlotte's first clear lipstick and the first male Hot Lips name. Edward Enninful is the editor of British Vogue and a very influential figure in the fashion industry. This lip conditioner is a colourless balm containing shea butter, aloe vera and hyaluronic acid for a hydrating, smooth feel. You could apply it as a prep step before other lipstick or just carry it around as a very fancy balm. It does feel really smooth and light. Very excited by the name of this next one. JK Magic refers to the woman we have to thank for a world of Harry Potter magic, JK Rowling. This shade is described as a peachy nude rose, but on me it's just a regular fair nude. No real hint of pink particularly. This is in the Kissing formula, so it's nice and creamy with a satin finish. In Love with Olivia is in homage to Olivia Palermo, the fashion and street style star who's a regular celebrity client of Charlotte's. Described as a sumptuous pink, this reads as a lot more of a pretty peach on my skin tone. Very feminine and fresh in the same super comfortable Kissing formula. This next one is my favourite. Glowing Jen, inspired by Jennifer Aniston, is a gorgeous tawny rose. Couldn't resist wearing it already and it just appeared in my autumn makeup video. A lovely, warm, beachy rose as Charlotte calls it. Another shade in the Kissing formula which works particularly nicely as a sheer layer or you can build it up to be more opaque. This definitely comes in second for me. Viva La Vergara, yep, named after Sofia Vergara, the vivacious Colombian-American actress. Described as a soft wine, it's sort of a great red berry that reminds me of Charlotte's beautiful shade Walk of Shame. This one is in her Matte Revolution formula, which is one of my all-time favourite lipsticks for its comfortable feel, non-drying matte finish and lasting power. Now this shade was a name that I and many of my Instagram followers guessed. Amazing Amal is of course inspired by Amal Clooney, who I featured on my channel before in a celebrity makeup bag video made up of entirely Charlotte Tilbury products because they work together so often. This berry pink in the Matte Revolution formula is a bit cooler than Viva La Vergara and quite similar to Love Liberty, a Tilbury berry shade Amal has worn in the past. Finally, Red Hot Susan, named after the iconic actress Susan Sarandon. A bold orange-red lipstick in Charlotte's Matte Revolution formula again. There was more of a cool-toned shade called Patsy Red in the range too, but I thought this one was a really nice alternative. Feels like a perfect warm fit for autumn/fall and something fun and bright in summer too. So, to recap, that was JK Magic, In Love with Olivia, Glowing Jen, Viva La Vergara, Amazing Amal, and Red Hot Susan. I'd love to hear what you think of Hot Lips too. They've been out for a while now, so I'm sure plenty of you've tried them and picked a favourite, so please share your go-to shades or which ones appealed to you most in the comments below. I'm also interested, if Charlotte brings out a Hot Lips 3 in future, who would you love to see represented? I'd certainly snap up Michelle Obama, Meghan Markle and Malala shades straight away. Thanks for watching, see you next time.